the government of Nigeria expressed strong concern over the reported threats against foreign nationals in South Africa, including those attributed to a group reportedly led by Jacinta Zuma. I think she's the daughter of the former president, and other groups such as Operation Dudula, and emphasized the need for proactive measures to prevent incitement, intimidation, or violence. On 21st April 2026, Nnaemeka Matthew Andrew died while in the custody of the Shawane Metro Police Department. Prior to his death, he reportedly sustained injuries attributed to personnel of the South African National Defense Force. Reports further indicate that a search for his residence yields no incriminating evidence. The circumstances of his detention and death have raised concerns regarding the conduct of the security personnel involved. Likewise, on the 25th of April, Kelvin Chidebere died at the Livingstone Hospital in Eastern Cape following an alleged assault by SANDF personnel. To address these issues and other related matters, the ministry summoned the Acting High Commissioner of South Africa for a meeting earlier today, and the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Dinoma Omar Ahmed, met with the South African Acting High Commissioner. Nigeria welcomes the signing of the MOU on early warning mechanism and called for the speedy activation and implementation as a practical channel for rapid information sharing and de-escalation when threats to Nigerians emerge. Finally, Nigeria urged the South African government to implement decisive steps to prevent further violence against Nigerians and other African nationals